Okay, the next frequently asked question is, how do I find out what my testosterone levels are? Well, you go to a specialist clinic. This isn't something that's going to be done at your primary care office generally. You have to go to a special clinic like Silk Medical Spa, but if you're not near us in the Denver area, then there's definitely one near you. So at Silk Medical Spa, we look into what symptoms you're having, doing a very comprehensive review of those symptoms, and then we do a simple blood draw to look at what your numbers are. And like we said previously, the perfect testosterone number is going to be different for each person. So make sure you go to somebody who specializes in this, because it's not something that every general practitioner is educated in. This was just one of the frequently asked questions about male bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. So please go to my YouTube channel to see the video in its entirety. Bye!